Magandang gabi, mga UAAP fans dyan. So, just a few minutes back, natatapos lang nung laro ng UST against Adamson at nanalo ang UST. That booked them to the Final Four at they will be going to the Final Four number 3 seed. Well, yung first game kanina, UP won over FEU. So, tanggal na si FEU. And UP remains at number 2 and number 1 si LaSalle. So, ano nang sitwasyon ngayon? May isang game date na lang tayo at ang mangyayari is Adamson right now is at 5 wins and 8 losses, while si UE is at 6 wins and 7 losses. Ang remaining games is UE against UP and Adamson against Ateneo. So ang mangyayari niyan, kasi 3 na ang pumasok, 1 na lang ang kulang at may 2 pang naghahabol. So, ang pumasok is LaSalle, UP, and UST. While ang natanggal is si Ateneo, si NU, tsaka si FEU. So, ang naiiwan ngayon is si UE, tsaka si Adamson. So, with the last playing date, UP against UE, Ateneo against Adamson. UP, or at least UE, needs to win in order for them to get the Final Four slot, or at least the number 4 slot. That's imperative for UE. They should win because they control their destiny, no? If they win, pasok sila, at kahit manalo si Adamson, hindi na siya makakahabol kasi lamang sa standing si UE. Pero pag natalo si UE ng UP at nanalo si Adamson kay Ateneo, magtatabla sila. They will be at 6 and 8, no? They will be at 6 and 7. They will be at 6 and 7. So ang mangyayari diyan, kasi pareho silang 6 and 7, is magkakaroon ng playoff si UE tsaka si Adamson to fight for the Final Four slot, no? The number 4 slot. So yun yung scenario ngayon, no? Yun yung scenario ngayon. So as mentioned natin sa previous vlog ko, so natapos na yung laro ng UP UE. So UP FEU. So 'di ba, yun yung game number 53 natin. So natanggal si FEU. At yung game number 54 is yung si UST against Adamson. So natalo naman si Adamson, so pasok na si UST. So number 3 slot siya. So yun ang naantay natin, yung last playing date, no? UE against UP, Ateneo against Adamson. So crucial yun for UE at Adamson kasi sila yung may chance na pumasok sa Final Four. So pero again, dependent lahat sa laro ni UE against UP, no? Dependent yun. So UE needs to win, Adamson needs to win. UE needs to win. Pag nanalo si UE, wala na si Adamson, no? But if UE loses, then Adamson wins, yun magkakaroon ng playoff for the number 4 slot. So yun yung update natin sa who is going to be the number 4 slot, no? Number 4 seed, okay? Number 4 seed ng UAAP na sa Final 4, okay? So ulitin ko, ang mangyayari is the number 1 seed, De La Salle University Green Archers, is waiting for who would be the number 4 seed between Adamson, Soaring Falcons, and University of the East Red Warriors. While the number 2 and 3 is already field with number 2 from UP, University of the Philippines, Fighting Maroons. And number 3 is the University of Santo Tomas, Growling Tigers. So, the number 1 and number 2 seeds are in a twice to beat advantage, no? So they need only to win once to eliminate the number 3 and number 4 slot seeded teams, okay? So the number 3 and 4 seeded need to win twice in order for them to reach the final, the championship. Okay? So guys, if you have some comments, reaction, please share it below, no? And also please like and share and subscribe on my channel. Okay guys? So that's it for now. Ciao. God bless. Let me out.